Starting a woodworking business can be an exciting venture, but there are common obstacles that might hold some woodworkers back. Here are 10 such obstacles or roadblocks, plus proven effective solutions for aspiring entrepreneurs in the woodworking industry today. Lack of business knowledge. Take business courses or workshops to develop essential entrepreneurial skills. Utilize online resources and networks to learn about business planning, marketing, and financial management. Limited capital. Start small and gradually reinvest profits into the business. Explore crowdfunding options online. Alternatively, you might consider seeking a loan, or finding investors interested in supporting your woodworking venture. Consider partnerships or collaborations to share costs. And be sure to have a solid business plan in place. Market saturation. Differentiate your woodworking business by specializing in a niche, offering unique designs, or focusing on a specific target market. Conduct thorough market research to identify gaps or underserved segments. This is where you'll often find the best, most profitable opportunities. Inadequate marketing strategy. Marketing is key. Develop a strong online presence through a professional website and social media. Consider popular marketplaces like Etsy and eBay. Utilize digital marketing tools and strategies such as SEO, content marketing, and engaging images and/or videos to showcase your work and reach a broader audience. Fear of failure. Don't let fear hold you back. Instead, move forward with your best effort. Embrace any failure you encounter as a learning opportunity. Develop a resilient mindset, and understand that setbacks are a natural part of entrepreneurship and life in general. Seek mentorship and connect with others who have faced similar challenges. The only real failure lies in not taking action. Insufficient time management. Create a realistic schedule and prioritize tasks. Begin to time every little aspect of your business and track it. Delegate responsibilities when possible, and leverage productivity tools, like customized systems to suit your business. Learn to balance the demands of your business with personal time to prevent burnout. Uncertainty about pricing. This is another obstacle that trips up new entrepreneurs. Research the market and your competitors to determine fair pricing. Consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead. Don't undervalue your work. Price products to reflect their quality and uniqueness. Lack of networking. Find out where your potential customers could be and show up regularly. Attend industry events, join woodworking associations, and participate in online forums. Build relationships with other woodworkers, suppliers, various trades and potential clients. Networking can open doors to collaboration and present new business opportunities. Technology hesitation. Your best bet is to embrace technology rather than trying to avoid it. Technology can help you streamline processes and reach a much wider audience. Invest in software for project management, accounting, and online sales. Leverage social media and e-commerce platforms for marketing and sales, as well as your own website. Compliance and regulations. Don't get hung up on this one. It's probably easier than you think. Research and understand your local regulations and permits related to woodworking businesses. Consult with legal professionals to ensure compliance. Get insurance coverage to protect you and your business. And stay informed about safety standards and environmental regulations to avoid legal issues. By addressing these common obstacles with strategic solutions, you can bring your dream to life. Any aspiring woodworker can position themselves for success in the evolving business landscape we live in today. Adaptability, continuous learning, and a proactive approach are key elements for thriving in the woodworking industry. I know you can succeed with your own woodworking business because I did. And if I could do it with limited skills and resources, anyone can.